you can have a portal which gives you all the available service. The Cloud Stack solution is designed. How it is designed? From the client cloud. With the help of automation and standardization, the human error will be minimized. Hello students, welcome to the next session of Cloud Computing and Big Data Analytics. I am Dr. Soumeshri from Department of Computer Science, Vidyashram College. Alright, in the last session, I explained you about the cloud service management. How does the cloud service is going to be managed, and importantly, the cloud broker and the benefits of cloud brokerage. In this session, I'm going to tell you about one of the terminology in cloud computing, that is cloud stack. Let us look at what is cloud stack, what are the different factors that drive this cloud stack, along with have a look at the benefits of the cloud stack. Shall we begin with the session? Okay. Now, we'll come to the term that is cloud stack. You know about the term stack, isn't it? Stack is nothing but piling up, that is storing one by one, nothing but that what you have studied in the data structure, isn't it? Stack, what about the cloud stack? Cloud you know, stack you know. When you combine these cloud and stack, what you get is the bundled offering. Cloud stack can be termed as the bundled offering that includes, you can include either the hardware or the software and different services needed to get started with the cloud computing. Everything that piled up in one place, one by one, can be termed as cloud stack. You may not be actually doing the stack operation like inserting and deleting, but why it is called as stack is all the services, offerings are bundled up or piled up in a single group, which is called as the cloud stack. Okay, it includes all the elements in a service ecosystem. What are all the services that are available in cloud computing will be included in the cloud stack. Okay, it has a self-service portal. You need not to check anywhere. You need not to ask for the assistance of anybody else. That means you can have a portal which gives you all the available service that is available in the cloud. Alright, it includes automation. What are the services available in automation and how to automate the hardware or the software or any service. Automating the service, and along with automation, it tracks, stack tracks. What it tracks is provisioning and deprovisioning of the services like maybe hardware or software or any kind of service. It will be tracked and controls all the resources, all the available resources will be controlled by the cloud stack. Here we have a diagrammatic representation of the cloud stack. Here it gives you the menu of what are all available in a particular cloud. Alright, here we have different services like maybe dashboard or instances, storage service, network you have been provided, the templates, software, platform as a service or infrastructure as a service. All the types of services will be listed out in this dashboard. This is a dashboard or this is a cloud stack which gives you all the offerings in form of a bundle, okay, in a form of a gift box or in form of a piled information. These are piled up one by one, so it is called as the stack. What type of stack it is? It is cloud stack. Along with it gives you general alerts and messages, controls which are needed, capacity, informations related to the cloud. What is the capacity, system capacity of the cloud? What are the alerts, time to time, automation of the services, all will be done in the cloud stack. Okay. The cloud stack is completely integrated. It is integrated or aggregated and includes a service along with the hardware, software as well as the service. It includes a service. On top of all these things, users can add additional services. If I want an extra service to be given by the cloud, I can give a request to the cloud stack to get an additional service, to do the integration or other types of cloud work. I have other types of cloud work, but that service is not available in that particular cloud. What I can do? I can put a request to the service provider. I need this kind of service. Can you add this to the cloud stack? The cloud stack may get updated with your request, or sometimes it will be available in the cloud but is not included in the cloud stack. Whenever you request for that service, it will automatically be added to the cloud stack. Okay. Cloud stack can be termed as a pre-package. It is pre-packaged or pre-defined package. Private cloud offering. Private cloud for a private organization. Private cloud designed in private organization. That brings together the hardware. It brings everything under one roof. Hardware, software as well as other services which are needed to establish a private cloud. If an organization wants to create a private cloud, it can get the service from cloud stack of some other cloud. Okay, to accelerate your selling efforts and the business. Okay, you can enhance, you can accelerate your business by using cloud stack to create a private cloud in your organization. Okay, now there will be having the end users. They will go for cloud stack API. It is a programmable interface cloud stack which gives the list of services provided, which can be supported by the cloud stack orchestration engine. It supports the services which aggregates or accumulates the different services from the back end. This is the front end and the back end. Back end has compute control, network controller, storage controller. All the services are available in the back end, which will be brought to the end user by the cloud stack API. All right. The cloud stack solution is designed. How it is designed? From the client cloud. It is designed by the idea of the clients only. The cloud provider will ask the client, what are all you need? What are the things you need to have look at in the cloud stack? So if the services are there, it will be added to the cloud stack. Cloud stack implementation experience and integrates the service management software system. It integrates all the interfaces like we viewed in this. It will integrate all the other interfaces to form a single API, that is cloud stack. Single API, that is cloud stack. Okay, with servers, storage and services. What does this integration and management system, all these interfaces contains is, there may be servers, storage, databases or services or softwares, anything may be. Okay, all these things are obtained from the client cloud implementation experience and the service management system, okay, which enables a private cloud in IT enable environment, which enables the creation of the private cloud. All these services are combined together to form a cloud stack. All right. This cloud stack takes the guesswork out of establishing a private cloud. If you are establishing a private cloud, you can guess the number of services, different types of services provided for the persons in the organization. As we know, private cloud is for the private organization. So the organization can create its own cloud, which is called as the private cloud. How do you list out the services which can be provided to the customers or clients? Is through the guesswork. We have to guess what may be the services that are needed by the clients of the private cloud. How do you guess is by pre-installing. You have to pre-install the services and configuring the necessary software. Once you have to give the softwares to the customers and check with the necessity, what is the percentage of necessity for every service they are providing, and do the guesswork based on the frequency of the use of a particular service. How much frequently that service is used. Based on that and pre-installed softwares and configuring the software on the hardware and leveraging services for customization according to the local environment. Based on the local environment, we can redesign the cloud stack. You can add some more services, you can delete some of the services, and you can update a particular service. Alright, everything is possible in case of cloud stack, which is used in a private cloud. Here we have the representation of the cloud stack in a private cloud. Alright, in the cloud stack, the requirement of the user are listed out. The needs are, first is to install her application. Whatever the service required by the user first will be installed and the service is provided to the particular client. Suppose if a client wants a particular software, what does the client can do is, one thing he can do is they can install the software in their personal computer or personal system and start using it. If they thought that, or if they assume that cloud is better, I get the service from the cloud of the organization, they can send the request and the request is fulfilled by installing the required application, and the user can draw the benefits of cloud computing by using that software, where it will implement the concept of virtualization, virtually creating the copies of the software, flexibility, storing and retrieving the data as she needs, as and when, where, how she want to use the data, she can use it, which gives you the flexibility of usage, scalability, she can go on adding the data to the cloud, she can increase the number of memory space she is using, scalability, and a self-service portal. She need not to wait for any updation. Updation will be automatic by the cloud stack, which gives you the self-service experience of the application you have been provided. Okay, so this gives the provision for adding any number of new services. If 100 users are there, you can get 100 different services for 100 users, or some 5 users may need a single service, whereas 2 users may need multiple service. So all these services can be fulfilled by the cloud stack by installing and giving the provision to use that application in the cloud. All right. Along with this, the cloud stack provides the alternative to the traditional IT infrastructure. Suppose if the client needs an application which needs the purchase of the software, which takes huge investment on that software. In that case, she can take the assistance of the cloud stack. This cloud stack may not purchase the application, but may get the service from the public cloud, from the outside organization, from the public cloud, from a third party. The cloud stack or the private cloud can get the service and provide the service to the client without investing much on that application, or with very less investment for subscription of that service for the public cloud. They can get the alternative of the traditional IT infrastructure. This cloud stack in the private cloud avoids the disadvantages of traditional IT infrastructure, okay, which gives the enhancement of delivery of services. You can have better services and better availability of the applications when compared to the applications in the local system. You can get the service anywhere, even in sitting home. By sitting at home, you can get the service. You can get the application from the cloud and you can use it as you use in office environment. Okay, so they'll enhance the delivery of service and to transform the data center into a cost-effective dynamic infrastructure. You can use the same server to give a dynamic infrastructure. So number of services and level of service, quality of service, everything will differ when you go for a cloud stack or cloud computing instead of the traditional IT infrastructure. It saves you cost, it saves you time, it saves you investment, it gives you better quality and is available anywhere, anytime. So advantages are more when compared to the traditional IT infrastructure. All right, we have cloud computing with the private cloud. You can hire from service, can be hired from the public cloud as well as from the private cloud without investing much in the IT. Okay, you can have pooled resources, servers, self-service using the cloud stack, elasticity or scalability. You can pay based on the usage. You can control the data moving between the cloud and the client machine. You can customize the services you are getting. Since it is having the provision of self-service, you can customize the services you are getting from the private as well as the public cloud. Because using the cloud stack, you can get to know what are the different services that are available in the cloud computing. All right. So here we have traditional data center, which gives you standardized, consolidated, virtualized, automated, orchestration engine which gives you the benefit of private cloud. Along with this, cloud stack can be termed as the structure built for performance. Performance is better and is based on architectures and configurations required by specific workloads. Based on the service, you can configure the cloud stack. Along with that, it enables the data center. Why it is going to enable? What it is going to enable? To accelerate the creation of services. New services will be created automatically for differing workloads. For different workloads, different services will be created with flexibility, reliability as well as optimization of the resource. Alright. Along with that, cloud stack, like any other cloud service, can take advantage of the service management system. Okay, it can take the advantage of the cloud service management, like getting into the customer's service catalog, request environment. You can give the request through the cloud stack. Tracking and chargeback. Tracking is the number of whether you have logged in, how much login period you have, how much you can use the cloud. All these things can be tracked. You can be automated, defines services and offerings to meet the business demand. What are the new offerings given by the cloud will be listed out in the cloud stack. Then it approves the automation, automatically updated. Softwares, services will be updated time to time without any notice from the client. Initially, need not to worry about whether the software has been updated or not. All these things will be done. Along with that, coordinated delivery of the service, and helps in the report generation time to time. Report generation softwares or services will also be provided by the cloud stack, which helps in enhancing the business of the customer with very less investment. Alright, what are the benefits, total or entire set of benefits that you can get from the cloud stack is, it powers faster times to innovation. You can have innovative services, lowers the cost for innovation. Along with that, you can have improved innovations. If you want in detail, you can say that it improves the business value. What type of business value it includes? And IT's effect, like you'll be having reports, various reports, lists, which helps in business and decision making. Softwares will be there which help you to take the decisions in some complex situations. All these things can be done with the help of the cloud stack. Time to market enabling the business workloads. It helps you to study the markets, to establish and enhance the business, to rapidly and accurately be deployed when and where they are needed. Whenever you need these services, you can enhance and get the service from the cloud stack. Along with that, decreases the operational expenses. Okay, how does it decreases the operational expenses? The productivity increases. Why it is increases is, the employee need not to worry about the automation of the softwares, or he need not to worry about purchasing any other software. He need not to worry about things, which helps in increasing the productivity of the employee in an organization, which can be achieved with a single term known as automation. Okay, it maximizes the capital usage. Whatever you have invested in IT will be completely recovered using the cloud computing service. And along with that, it reduces the capital expense, total expense to be needed for the business investment will be reduced with the help of cloud computing. Along with that, reduces the complexity and risks. Okay. With the help of automation and standardization, the human error will be minimized. You can have minimal error while storing the data or saving the data or updating anything will be automated and reduces the frequency of human error. Along with that, it helps you in coping with the protection of the data in case of natural calamity. That means reducing the chance of risk or reducing the risks in case of the traditional IT infrastructure. So Cloud Stack gives you the benefit of all these things which help you to get the benefits to the maximum. Okay, so it reduces the cost, it improves the delivery of the service, it enables the innovation in the business. You can enhance the business with the help of Cloud Stack as well as cloud computing service. Okay, Cloud Stack is nothing but a API which helps you to get all the list of the services that you are going to get from a cloud computing or cloud service provider. Okay, now you know about the Cloud Stack. In the next session, I am going to explain you about computing on demand. What is this cloud computing on demand is? It is nothing but getting the services based on the requirement of the client, which gives the benefit of flexibility as well as scalability and availability of the services at any time with the help of cloud. So in that, cloud may be private cloud or public cloud. All right. Thank you.